Hi everyone, and I'm pleased to announce that the Look Ahead video is sponsored by those super chaps at Easy Melt. And it's Friday the 15th of November. Thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. I'm Simon Keeley, and some colder weather on the way, and we could be looking at some sleet and snow for some of us. Remember, I've been telling you about that now for the past few days. Now, I've got an update for you on the longer range forecast, taking us up to the middle part of December. But first of all, just get you up to speed on what's going to happen over the coming days and how we think the weather's likely to evolve. This is the chart for this afternoon, so this is for Friday. And got a warm front passing through Scotland at the moment, bringing some drizzle across the western coast. But for most of the country, it's a dry day. Plenty of sunshine in the southeast as well, although cloudier towards the north and west. Now, for tomorrow, for Saturday, cold front moving into northwestern Scotland during the course of the day, bringing some outbreaks of rain here. Pretty breezy actually across Scotland too, but it should be dry with sunny spells for eastern and southern areas, and dry too across Northern Ireland until the afternoon when that front arrives. Now, further south, under the area of high pressure, some mist and murk in the morning. That will slowly lift, probably into low cloud, but it will break, and I think most places should be dry with some sunny spells coming through. Sunday sees the fronts out towards the west and the north tending to pep up, and still uncertainty over exactly where this front will be, but I think anywhere within this sort of zone is at risk of some drizzle, some murk, and really just typical November conditions, I think, through Sunday. Towards the north, it should be brighter with some sunny spells across Scotland. The far south of England may be brighter too, but broken cloud here, though in between, just that mist and murk. Now, the rainfall getting its act together overnight into Monday. You see here the cold front by midday Monday has swept its way southeastwards. That takes some more persistent periods of rain with it. It's a pretty hefty burst of rain too across central and western areas, but it should be clearing away southeastwards by the middle of the day on Monday. Cooler air then follows in behind. But then it's this second cold front coming down here that brings an area of showers, and that is the real cold getting in. I think the showers turning increasingly to sleet and snow across northern and western Scotland too. And it sets us up for a cold day on Tuesday. Now, details for Tuesday's weather are changing all the time. I think what we can say with certainty is it's going to be cold. However, it's the area of snow and rain and sleet that we have difficulty with just at the moment. It's looking as if much of northern, western and northwestern parts of England, so in northern and western Scotland, northwest England, see outbreaks of snow and some snow showers, these affecting Northern Ireland too through the morning. Now, into the evening, this area transfers its way south and eastwards to be somewhere through here. I think snow is likely over high ground, could even fall at low levels, particularly through northern parts of England, also across parts of Wales, and particularly the north coasts of Wales. We could find the rain turning quite quickly to sleet and snow. I think more central and southern and southeastern parts of the country are probably drier but cold, but always these snow showers affecting northern and western parts of Scotland. Now, the indications at the moment for Wednesday are that it's just not going to be a particularly very pleasant day. I think that there will be constant cloud and showers of sleet and snow, some rain moving onto these eastern coasts. Another area of showers probably affecting western parts of Ireland, western parts of Wales and the eastern parts of Ireland, those wintry on the hills. Cloud tending to break further inland, but with that northeasterly breeze, it's going to be feeling really cold. Top temperatures of only 3 or 4 degrees for many of us during the course of the day on Wednesday. Now, of course, the big question is, how long does the cold weather last? Well, this is the latest prediction from the Japanese Met Agency model, and those of you who watch regularly know that we use this one regularly because actually it's a pretty reliable model. This is the forecast for week 1, so this is going forward from today through until Friday the 22nd of November. And what this one is showing us, the British Isles is underneath here, look. This is week 1, and this is showing us higher pressure building out towards the west here, lower than normal heights down towards the south, and we've got the ridge that tends to do that, look, into the trough. So it's showing us the idea that this cold weather is lasting through the course of this week. The CFS has been pretty adamant as well that this cold weather was going to be in, and this is the forecast from the JMA again, but this time for week 2. So this is going forwards from the 22nd through until the 29th of November. And on this one, higher than normal heights towards the north of us, interestingly, look, the Scandinavian high is developing, as well as another block developing out here towards the south of Greenland and the eastern parts of the US, with a trough still across southern Europe. So you remember me telling you that I thought the idea would be that low pressure would go into the Med, and here it is. So what happens here is we get this flow of east to northeasterly winds feeding in through the country during the course of that week. So it looks as if we are going to be retaining this colder east to northeasterly flow across the country. So the cold weather sticks with us. Now, whether there'll be any snow or not, difficult to put the details down, but I think we can say eastern, central and southern areas more likely to see cloud, they're more likely to see outbreaks of drizzle, rain, perhaps even some sleet or even some snow at times. Best of the conditions for Scotland, for Ireland, for the west of Wales. That's where the sharpest of frost will be too. And then into week 4, so this is from the 29th of November through until, when would it be? Is it about the 13th of December? This one showing us that's still got above normal heights. Now remember, this is the mean for 2 weeks, okay? So this is the mean for a 2-week period, but it's showing us, look, higher than normal heights towards the north, lower than normal to the south, and it certainly continues to give us this impression of a mainly east or southeasterly flow. So it really doesn't want to let go of these colder conditions too quickly. I think again we're going to be looking at more frost through Scotland and Ireland, possibly for the northwest of England as well. Always cloudy across eastern, central and southern parts of the country. Yeah, there'll be some sunny days, but that's where the most of the cloud will tend to be, and some outbreaks of drizzle, rain, sleet or even snow at times, with temperatures being pegged back. So it looks like this cold weather is in to last for perhaps even 2 to 3 weeks. I've got the feeling that from sort of mid-December, so the 12th, 13th, somewhere around that date, perhaps even a little bit earlier onwards, we do go into milder conditions. But I think what we can say is the first half of December is colder than the second half of the month. So, plenty to ponder, plenty to discuss over the next few days in look ahead videos. But for now, thanks for watching weatherweb.net, and whatever you're doing today, keep the sun shining. Bye for now.